Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to switch rows and columns in Google Sheets, also called transposing data. Perfect for fixing layouts, reports, or dashboards. Here we have some basic sample data. We're going to flip this so rows become columns. Method 1. Paste Special, quickest way. Select your data. Press Ctrl+C. This will copy. Right-click where you want it pasted. Click Paste Special arrow Transposed. Done. Now columns become rows instantly. Method 2. Use the Transpose formula, dynamic version. If you want it to update automatically, in a blank cell, enter this formula. You will find it in the video description below. Press Enter. Now if you change the original data, the flipped version updates automatically. Important. If you get an error, make sure the area where the formula expands is completely empty. When to use each method paste special. One-time switch. Transpose, live, automatic updates. That's it. Instantly switch rows and columns in Google Sheets. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.